Wanted to show you guys something today. I got a surprise out at the farm. I'll show you my chickens. I locked them up so I can show you what I'm trying to show you. Hold on, let's see if we can see them there. Some of them might try to fly out, but see that? That guy right there? I don't own a rooster, guys, but I had one show up. Let me see if you can see him any better. You sure can't hear him. But anyway, since he showed up, my egg production has gotten a lot better. And they're laying in there. But anyway, I think it's my, I don't know if you can see over there, that not the first small skinny building, but the other house, and the other warehouse over there. My neighbor's over there. I think it's his, and he's figured out that my females are all alone. Anyway, I thought it was funny and I wanted to share it. Have a great one, guys.